So this tweet got a lot of attention, and many people asked me how does it work and if I can create some demo. So this is basically showing how to create an extension that contributes chat tools, mainly chat mods, instructions, and prompts to the main Copilot chat inside VS Code. This is a really neat and yet to be documented feature of the extensions. And one option that it opens is a distribution of package of AI tools. Basically, if there's some chat mod or chat mods, prompts, and instructions that work well together, so you don't need to manually copy paste or manually click on the single install links one by one. You can pack them all together and publish them as an extension, which automatically gives us basically distribution channel because it uses the marketplace of the VS Code, and also versioning. If we upgrade, we can release a new version. To my taste, extensions are a bit of an overkill. Why? Because they only install it to the global scope, to the user level, meaning that if you have a pack of tools that you want to publish and use only in a single project, so if you install an extension, as far as I know, it will be available everywhere. And think about it, if you start installing many extensions that contribute many tools, so you will get a lot of tools and clutter for all of your projects, even if you need only a subset. I would go in a different way. I actually am going to propose it to the code team. Hopefully they get it, they will accept it, but still, this is an amazing way to use extensions and contribute tools from them. So let's see how. First of all, you need to create an extension. There's great documentation from the code team, how to build your extension, a lot of great documentation here, all the way to how to test it and publish it, which is important. And the only thing it's missing is how to contribute the aforementioned tools. It's still not documented, but today I'm going to show you how to get going. So without further ado, let's open VS Code. And I used the scaffolding tool, the Yeoman scaffolding, which is documented in the documentation there. And it created a nice, quick project with most of the things that I need. And I don't need anything from the boilerplate here almost. There is even an extension, an entry point, an extension. I deleted most of what's in it. And in order to get our tools, so you need to create those files. You can create them wherever you want in the project, in what name you want. I created a prompts directory and created 3 files there, but you can save it really wherever and however you want it. The only thing is these files need to have the proper content, and you need to reference them in the package JSON wherever you put them. So let's see. In the package JSON, what we need to do is add under the contributes section. This is basically the API between extension and VS Code. This tells VS Code what this extension can do and wants to do. If you will write something but you won't put it in the contributes, as far as I know, it won't take effect. It may even fail the extension. But in our case, what we added is only static files exposure. So if we want to contribute chat mods, prompts, and instructions, what we need to do is add under contribute one of these sections, all of them, 2 of them, whatever you want to contribute. Each one of them is an array of object of the structure name, description, and path. You can have as much chat mods, prompt files, and instructions you want. And the way you put it, you give it a name, you give it a description, which will appear when you over or select the tools in VS Code, and the path, which I mentioned before. You can see that this correlates to the path here, so it should work. Now, one thing that I had to discover by myself, because it didn't work, is that while the prompts and instructions, you only need to add this for them to appear, the chat mods are behind some experimental flag, and if you want to add them, you need to add this. enabled API proposals. So this is still probably under a debate if this is the proper way to edit, although it looks like it is. And the proposed API is called chat participant private. So here be dragons, beware. But in general, for now, if you want to get going, this is what you need to do. And once we have this, we can simply uh, compile, test the extension with the extension development host. And what you can see now is that if I'm going to try to look for my new and great prompt, yeah, I don't get autocomplete yet. Okay, probably, okay, activating extensions, so it's a bit laggy. Let's see. Okay, so we can see that I got my prompt from my extension and I can use it. I also have my custom chat, okay, that if I'm going to click configure here, so I can see it's being contributed from extensions, and it says my chat mode. And I can also try to bring instructions, so we can see that I get my instructions, my instruction, because I didn't give it a proper description. So remember, always give a proper description so people will know what your tools are doing. So that's it. From here, you can create your own, test it, publish it, share with your team, share with your company. This is a great way to share these tools, and I hope this helps to get you going.